Wayne's got a bass. Coming over.
Yeah, first pudding bass of 2020. Oh dang, he's got a good tear in him. Come here, look at this.
Probably getting hit by all the predators.
There's that one. Torn back fin all the way down into his body.
Dang. That's a nice little bass.
Ah! Alright, ready?
Okay.
Here he goes.
Gone, dude. Hell yeah. Okay, I'll back up and I'll try to cast out further without losing my spot, hopefully.
I knew I got a hit. I caught him right a little farther than that.
Let's see if
It's on.
see if I can get one. Holy moly, why did I go that far? Oh, I forgot this reel stuck. Did he tick it or what? How that?
Like they used to, barely touched it and then took off with it.
Nice. You got a blue one?
The blue and green.
Oh. Thought I had one.
Got another one. Just kidding.
Yeah, snaggled.
Fucking snag. Sure gotta love that pudding.
Yep.
Well, I'm gonna blow this out, so I'm gonna.
After you get that, can you, like, your soft plastics are easier to get to than mine. Can you give me a blue one? Nice. Okay, I want a blue and black one. Let's go up. Let's go up to there. We've got a lot right there. Yeah. Hopefully we'll be able to sit in a decent spot. I'm beginning to think I should not have brought 4 poles.
I think you do that every time.
Yeah. Just... yeah, that looks like this isn't gonna work. Dude, you got the first one this time.
Oh yeah. First one of 2020 and the first 2020 on the pudding.
No, you caught the other ones in 2020.
What?
You caught your 5-pound in 2020.
Yeah. That's what I said. First
Oh yeah, you're the first one. Yeah.
and I caught your backpack's in the water.
What? I want to cast in over there. Well, we could go up to that bank after a little bit.
That's where I wanted
Fish a little bit in here and then.
Uh-oh.
Dang it. You see that?
What?
It was down there.
That's what I thought. Yourself a catfish the size of your kayak?
Maybe. That sucks because I don't have a thing over here. I forgot to pull my thing out. I think I'm gonna go up to where that sandbar is and just get out.
Where we got all those ones that first time?
Yeah, fish there for a while, and then we can decide to go up more or down more. Of course. Struggling hard today.
Lots of stuff up there. That's gonna be a hot spot, I feel like, for a bit. All summer even. A lot of trees and branches and whatnot. This is gonna make for a nice hole in the summertime. Oh yeah. You'll be able to get out. Come in on this side of me. It's a little more flat for your handicapped self. Don't lose your kayak now. Dang it, I tilted it down at you. I was preparing for a fall. And to think, last year at this time we would have never thought of using a bait caster in our lives. Have you used any of the hybrids yet? Ow. A little bit. 6 cents, why are you going to make such sharp hooks? Good news is, fish are already wet. They don't care much about rain.
Alright, let's bank fish for a while. Bank fish for a while. Man, this line casts so good. Line.
You don't have that on all of mine.
Yeah, I gotta switch all of it. No, I haven't.
Look at this, look.
That's the... Oh, wow.
I broke my other one.
That's nice.
See?
Yeah.
The
That's good.
bluegill one is where I caught that 5-pounder on.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
And that's the one you broke?
Yeah, the bill.
By the way, what is up, guys? Dwayne and I are trying to catch some bass. You saw earlier, Dwayne caught one already. I've been struggling as usual. Now I'm apparently drift fishing that jig. Is bouncing the bottom. Is he is the Instagram like Hood Angler or something, Mount Hood Angler?
No.
Oh, that guy, he fly fishes for everything. Catches bass all the time.
Fish just jumped over there.
Where?
I just watched him come out the water.
Like a
5 feet out.
bass?
Yep, seems that way.
Like 5 feet out? I can feel it hitting the bottom. And it feels like bass ticking it. I was waiting for one to just take off running with it. Ooh, that felt like a bite.
My hooks got so high when I caught that one within 10 minutes.
Yeah. Not getting it that way. Funny how these things happen. There we go. We're back, guys. Back in the water. Still trying to catch something. I've got no bites. Dwayne's caught one bass. Had one bite, one bass. Trying the Texas rig. Works really well for us here. No way. No way. Nice. That's awesome. Here, spin over this way. If you can.
Got one. Well, I can't. Yep. Huh? No. I gotta let this guy go. Well, there he is. Floating down, I casted right next to that log. That was a little guy. He wanted that clout.
Hey, at least we're catching something. Yeah. It's better than the, what, 3 times we went out between then and now?
I mean, every time I've gone out, I've caught stuff.
Yeah, without me?
Yeah. Look at a bald eagle. He's so big and majestic and American.
Yeah. Oh, he's a chunky one. Yeah, buddy. He's chunky too. Let's get him unhooked. Barely hooked. Look at that, guys. My first one in 2020. Yes, look at the size of him. He's chunky. Chunky. Huh? Bald eagle? Merca? Look at that. Oh yeah, that felt good. I wish I could get a picture of it, but look at that, guys. My first bass of 2020. Nice, beautiful smallie. Fat little thing. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let it go. And she's gone. Yeah, buddy. About time. Yes. Oh, I'm so stoked now. I forgot how hard the smallmouth fight. That thing was fighting pretty good. I was like, whoa, buddy. Hopefully you guys are gonna start enjoying this content. As we go, we'll start using the camera more. I just don't like to bring it in the kayak. It's really hard to keep dry and make sure I don't lose it in the water. This is what we're using right now. It's a 6 cents clout worm and Nirvana, so it's got that blue and green. And this is a 4-aught ECW 6 cents hook on line fishing. I think this is an 18 pound, or it might be 12 pound. Can't remember. But yeah, it's working out really well for me. This year's starting off slow, but Dwayne's getting out. What does he do? Okay, I'm rolling. Oh my God. I wouldn't do it that way. You're going in. You're going in. Go over there.
There's no way to do this good.
Oh my. That was close.
Yeah.
I could have just seen it going whoop.
My foot is full of water.
Good.
Oh, that sucks so bad.
You want to go upriver?
And I smashed my hand.
I think we should go upriver.
My foot is soaked now.
That's fine. Now you just get in and out. You want to go up?
I don't care.
Well, decide. Yes or no?
I don't care. You got a coin? Flip a coin.
I don't have a coin.
Why are you floating so fast?
I don't know. I think I had a bite.
Ah!
Brakes.
Oh no, I'm hooked. Oh God, I'm going crazy. Oh.
You better figure it out quick. Oh man, that's funny. No!
Can you see the bottom? It's all about the same all the way across. I'm gonna keep going then if you can see the bottom. I have a problem. I have got foliage in my kayak. I've got a bush. Ooh! Perfect. Look at this mess. Oh yeah. I almost broke the pole. This trusty $5 pole.